I'm going to call out the fact that what you're talking about is really a stricter alignment in workflow. I do find tends to be a term that is used more on the construction technology vendor side, but we're trying to take these workflows and make sure that they are aligning with the work processes of the actual construction project. This is, to me, what makes ControlQore a really interesting piece of software, partly because you're looking at JD, the head of product. They already understand the physical workflows of which that technology is being built for. And that has too often been the disconnect, in my experience, in technology.
I'll validate that disconnect. My experience being in a lot of very large companies and then one small one, I experienced a lot of agnostic solutions and came into PJF and building ControlQore with some preconceived notions that not quickly, it actually was painful between JD and I fighting with each other.
Sure.
Uh,
But
that
good fighting. I mean, honestly, people have said to me, until the process of the actual build is put first, and how you articulate that and then align it to code and communicate with software developers, no wonder.
And this is why I'm very happy and pleased that we have JD in the seat that he's in. And you've mentioned this, is that ultimately he and I will have disagreements often, and we have a relationship that really facilitates positive disagreement. Even if I have a strongly held opinion and his opinion is on the other side, I will defer to him. I will say, okay, I would think that it would go this way, but because you are the industry expert, I will defer. And 9 times out of 10, JD's been proven right, which hasn't been good for his ego.
Brian, can you actually give us an example? Because I think this is really important for construction professionals that are watching or will watch our recording to really understand how you're trying to right the ship between technology and the actual work that's done on the site.
Sure. I think that an overarching principle that we are seeing be validated almost daily right now is, initially I come in with a preconceived notion to do everything I possibly can to automate away the mundane function. And while that statement is true, there is a more important aspect to running a business. Automation by nature can be inherently risky and dangerous, because you begin to have a complacency or allow for complacency to enter your business because it's all automated. JD and I fought about this issue very early on in ControlQore's start. The conversation was, we can create automation where it makes sense, but we will always make sure there is an opportunity to review whatever has been automated away and build into the workflow so that you do not lose visibility and create unintentionally a leaky bucket of transaction detail going out the window somewhere through automations and integrations. It's been validated time and time again, as we've been talking with other construction firms, that whenever we say something is automated, there's an immediate raised eyebrow. Like, really, does it actually automate the thing away? And two, I'm not really interested in a fully automated solution, because it means I can't see what's going on my financials as well, or I have to create some kind of a process to make sure that automation is actually working the way it's supposed to.